friends, this is Natalia too. I'm a CPA and a business coach with Colorado Business CPA. We work with visionary entrepreneurs and we help them to save money on taxes as well as to inspire them to build more profitable and successful businesses so they can have the lifestyle they always dream of having. Today I would like to talk about the S-corporation requirements. So when you elected your business to be taxed as an S-corporation by filing a Form 2553, and again watch other videos we created for you, what do you need to do as an S-corporation business owner, right? As an S-corporation shareholder. And so there are 6 things that we recommend that you need to follow. The very first one is the IRS requires you have to have a reasonable salary from your S-corporation. Remember, the net income from S-corporation is not subject to self-employment, which is 15.3% tax, and therefore you need to subject at least 30-40% of net income and pay a payroll tax. So you are becoming employee of your own company. Therefore, you have to have a payroll. You have to do a monthly or a quarterly deposit, payroll taxes. Then you have to file a quarterly Form 941, Form 940 annually, state unemployment taxes, probably quarterly, local taxes quarterly, and annually Form W2 and a W3. So you have to have a payroll. The second, what we recommend, the second thing you should have is to do a bookkeeping. Keep track of all your income and expenses by perhaps utilizing some technology, like for example, maybe QuickBooks, QuickBooks Online or QuickBooks software. There's also a Xero software, Sage. But we work with QuickBooks Online mainly. So make sure you have all your income and all your expenses are recorded in the QuickBooks software. You reconcile your bank accounts. Only business bank accounts should be included in your balance sheet and income statement, because it depends on how much money your business makes and how much they have, your business has in the fixed assets. The balance sheet disclosure is a requirement for the 1120S, which is the S-corporation tax return. So the third item you should have is you need to file a Form 1120S. That's the annual S-corporation tax return, income tax return, plus the state income tax return. And the due date is March 15th. You can file for an extension, which is a Form 7004. And therefore, you will be able to extend filing of the Form 1120S by September 15th. Also, the fourth one is you need to have an annual board and shareholder meetings, as well as, for example, we live in Colorado, so you also need to do the Colorado Secretary of State filings, which, you go to Colorado Secretary of Department of State and file an annual report, and if it's filed on time, its cost so far is $10. So another thing is what's very, very important, and again, I'm not an attorney, I'm not giving you legal advice, but as an accountant, I'm also telling you that no funds commingling. What does that mean? That means when you have an S-corporation, you have a business checking account, and you should also have a personal checking account, right? So when you take the money from the S-corporation, from your business, you take the money 2 ways. One is a shareholder distribution, so you just transfer money from business checking account to your personal. And the second way you take the money is through a payroll. Remember, you also have a reasonable salary. So we would definitely not recommend you to commingle funds, meaning do not pay for your personal, expenses from your business checking account. It's okay to use a personal credit card. Let's say you have a personal credit card and you just designated one personal credit card for business only, and you use it for business only. That's okay to use your personal credit card, but do not commingle funds. And another thing is make sure all the fixed assets, like all the purchases, furniture, equipment, if you purchase the vehicles, trucks, trailers, make sure all of that is recorded in your books, and then you take the proper depreciation expense, and then, again, it's all disclosed on the Form 1120S. Also make sure all the loans are recorded and adjusted to the interest. So as you can see, having an S-corporation business, it's a little bit more work. It's more required than just having a sole proprietorship or a LLC. And we strongly recommend to work with accountants once your business is ready for an S corporation. We are a Colorado business CPA, and we offer, we work with small business owners, entrepreneurs, and we offer small business packages, which includes the payroll. We do a payroll, bookkeeping. We do also tax preparation, tax planning, coaching, and quarterly mastermind groups. So if you're interested, please give us a call. It's 1-800-5040-272, 1-800-5040-CPA. If you like this video, please like us, subscribe to our channel, and hope to talk to you soon. Thank you so much. Bye.